Welcome. All right, welcome to my little example of n8n and MemMachine and the integration. So this is a basic n8n community container image. I either started with the Docker run command or what as I have with the Docker compose file from our n8n nodes from here. And you can find this on the documentation. Here you can see what you need to do. Okay, so let's get started. I will use a very stupid test email, test name, and then like a random password that I will never remember. Here you can just click get started and skip. And what we need to do is we need to install the community node. The name is conveniently put in here. Boom. All right, so installed. And next we will start from scratch here and add a chat message. Let's test this trigger by stating my name is Christian. I live in Germany. Okay, nothing happened, which is okay. And let's use a memory store node. I need to set up credentials. It's host.docker.internal API v2 if you're on a Mac or Linux and use Docker. Worked, so awesome. Let's do this again. All right, so what happened is that it's now stored in MemMachine. We can see this in neo4j with 7474. The default password is neo4j_password. And we can visualize the nodes like this. So we can see that's the, let me get some color here. That's the raw node with the content. My name is Christian. I live in Germany. And this is the node that is derived from that, which already has the embeddings in them. We can look at our Jaeger node here. Ah, I didn't, missed. Okay. Let me enable cloud tracking, export to Jaeger. Okay, and now I add more facts about me. I like music, very special. Snowflake I am. Okay, here we go. Now we have this. And we can see that it started. It took like 500 milliseconds. And we can see that was the message sent to the backend. All right, so now that we have this, let's continue. I'd like to make this a little branch, and I will use the shed input. And if the string does not end with a question mark, I expect it to be a store operation, which I think is reasonable. So, and if not, then let's duplicate this node here. If it's not, then we want to go here, make this an Enrich node, which will fill out this template here. And then we'll use the AI agent. Now we need to execute it first. Let's do that. What do you know about me? Okay, this didn't work, but was expected, right? Because I just wanted to generate this so that I can add a system message and use the context that is provided by the Enrich node. So this will include, as you can see here, the instructions. My name is Christian. I like music. So all the information that's now added to the memory, and I will use my API key here. And now let's make this. So, okay, and let's ask again. drum roll. Here we go. For this conversation, I only knew a few things. So I'm Christian, live in Germany, and I like music. So, and that's what we would expect, right? And if we look at this trace here, we can see the enrich message, the rendered content, and what was sent to the n8n node. And that's about it. So more nodes flowing in. Yep. So thanks.